Hey guys!
It's Dreamy Pineapple Co. And today we are doing
Natural makeup looks for like kind of fancy things or just like if you want to have a natural makeup look. I'm so awkward, I'm sorry.
yeah. So we already did it, like we filmed the intro after we filmed the video. So yeah, this is what it looks like, and keep watching if you want to see how to do it. So the first thing you want to do is put your hair up. Yeah.
And wash your face because it's kind of gross if you put makeup on without washing your face.
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna start with foundation. I have I'm sorry, this is really okay. I have this Marcel Flawless foundation in the shade Ivory, but obviously you're gonna be different than me.
I have Alme, I don't even know, and it's in the shade
Ivory as well.
Yes, Ivory. Why are you wearing Ivory?
I don't know. Okay, let's go.
I'm like, what? Okay, let's go.
You can use like a beauty blender or like a sponge or like, yeah. I'm using a sponge, she's using a beauty blender.
Okay.
She's using, you
Let's
can just
go.
put it straight on or however you want.
Let's go. No, mine's like, okay, this is really hard to do with.
Okay.
How do you do this?
I know, I need like
seeing. Oh, this is a lot better.
Okay, I'm gonna get my mirror one second. So the next step, this is optional, but I like doing concealer because I have pretty bad eye bags. So yeah, I just like do a little like triangle so I can't really see in the thing.
Also, so
Like
you can,
that, and then you just kind of like blend it in. So next we're gonna be doing like
the face
the
stuff.
face stuff. So I have some bronzer that's like literally almost out from I don't know where this is from because as you can see it's like really faded. Yeah, she's using that too. And then for blush I have this from MAC. It's in the shade, I don't know what the shade is because, oh, Desert Rose.
Desert Rose.
Yeah, and then highlight, we're using Dance Makeup Highlight because it's pretty good. It's like a rose gold color kind of thing.
Yeah.
So yeah, first start with the bronzer.
We don't even really know, so like, this could start terribly.
So I'm just gonna take, should I use this brush? Yeah, okay. I'm gonna take this brush and put it in the bronzer, but not too much because you don't want to
You use
too much.
Okay, and I'm gonna use a contouring brush because that's what you're supposed to do.
Yeah, but I don't have
But
one.
like,
So.
apparently you guys don't have one, so.
Oh, I really need this one.
And blow it off to make sure you
Yeah,
don't
or tap it off.
that much. And you're just gonna
Go on like your
fishy lips
cheekbone,
and go like,
that.
you wanna make sure it looks natural so it like doesn't look like, you know, you're like caked in makeup.
Mm-hmm.
Because this is for like a natural look, and yeah. So you can kind of like, I mean, it looks like in the video, like it looks like there's a lot, but there really isn't. Like it's really.
Yeah, it looks
No.
like there's a lot, but there's really not, trust me.
Now for me, I'm gonna take my just regular blush brush, because that's what I usually do, and then I just put it on, and I go my hairline down to my chin, a little bit on my forehead, and on my. Did I say my chin? I mean my. Yeah, my chin, and my hairline, and yeah.
I already did that.
This makes it look like. Oh shoot! I put in the wrong one.
It makes it look like you have a smaller forehead.
It does?
Yeah.
I know.
It puts a shadow there. That's why my mom doesn't put it on because she already has a small forehead.
Oh.
And then this makes it accentuate your amazing jawline, and your chin, putting it here makes it your face look narrower.
I just put it on because it makes me not look like a vampire. That's literally why. It gives you kind of more of like a glow. A glow, bros.
Oh, are you talking about highlight?
No.
Oh. Then I was, oh, never mind. I thought you were talking about highlight, and I was like, what? Okay. Next.
Blush, yes.
So, yeah, you can, I'm gonna take,
My hair is really bad today, guys.
should I just, I will, no, we're gonna stay with the same brush because I don't wanna use the other ones. So just like take your brush and dip it in the blush. Tap some off again. And then you wanna put it like on the apple of your cheek, which is basically like the that part when you smile, and then a bit up, like a check mark almost to like up here kind of. Yeah.
And this is a really crucial step if you're putting on foundation, because like foundation makes your face look really
Light.
like flat.
One,
like it doesn't
one
give
tone.
you, yeah, it doesn't give you any color. I mean, it takes away your color.
Yeah.
So by putting on like bronzer and blush, it brings out the colors on your face. Obviously, puts colors on your face. And guys, we just to let you know, we never wear this to school. Like this is not what we wear. Like this would like maybe like, I don't even usually wear this, even if it's like a an event.
I
Like,
never wear makeup.
Like I never wear makeup either. So this is just like if you like really wanted to, you know, if you're going out, maybe like, I don't know, if you're on a
party
date
or something.
I don't know.
I don't know when.
about that stuff. So like, don't ask me. But yeah. I'll put also a little bit on my forehead
That was good.
and on my nose and on my chin again, just to, yeah.
So we're gonna move on to highlight.
Okay, good stuff.
So we're using this like rose gold highlight stuff. It's that one that is so bright that it's not focusing. There we go. And then yeah.
And
so,
this is from
Makeup by Danny Lee. I remember.
yeah, because it's our dance makeup. So yeah. So you can do a contouring brush, or your fingers, or
A fan brush.
yeah, for highlight, because like it's usually really light, so it doesn't really matter if you know.
Yeah. I put a little bit on it with my finger, and then I just take a brush like, and then just like.
So I just
blend it in.
You do it on your cheekbone, the top of your cheekbones, and you don't wanna put so much. A lot of people put a lot of highlight on.
Yeah.
It's supposed to be only a tiny bit, just to make it look like,
Well,
again,
that
like
was
you're
a lot.
glowing. And you wanna make sure it's not just like sitting there. Then I like to put some on my forehead. Like,
Or you can put some on the tip of your nose.
yeah, I put some on my forehead. And on my chin again.
Okay.
And
Oh my god, it looks
down
like
my
there's
nose
so much on
and
my
on
nose,
the end
but
of
I
my nose.
put the smallest bit.
And it's funny because this is what, like, we haven't even done our eyes yet, but this is like what some people wear, plus the eyes, like every day.
Mm-hmm.
So like, I don't understand how people can do that, because I don't even like wearing makeup, so.
Same. So next we're gonna move on to eyes. I'm gonna do like a pink thingy thing. And I have this Maybelline, and it's, I don't know what shade.
Yeah, so
Seashell.
let's do that.
So I'm gonna be using, no, not that one, where is it? I'm gonna be using this brush. So just take your brush and like dip it in a bit, and then this stuff I feel like, I think it's very shiny, so just kidding, it's not that bad. Anyway, I'm just gonna put that on the, just like lid of my eyelid. The lid of my eye.
So you can either, like some people pat in, if you want like a brighter look, you can pat it on, or you can like
Just
swipe it on.
Which is what I'm doing.
And if you want to add something extra, you can take white.
That's what I was gonna do. I'm
And-
taking a little pencil brush and putting it on the inner corner of your eye.
You can also do it underneath your brow bone to make your eyes like pop more.
I really like the white in this palette. So we're done the eyes, and make sure that you don't put too much on the inner corner, or else it'll look
Too.
kind of ridiculous.
Yeah. We forgot we have to do the.
Eyeliner and mascara, but I already have mascara
Yeah.
on, so.
So now we're gonna do the eyeliner and mascara.
I don't want to do my eyeliner.
I'll do eyeliner. I'm wearing Arbonne.
Well, that was from Dance Makeup last year.
Yeah, it was from our dance makeup last year.
This is
I
for
don't
my
think
dance
you can
makeup
see
this
it.
year, which is, again, Makeup by Danny Lee.
I'll be a real makeup guru, and I'll go like that.
Oh my
You
God.
can't even see it, so it
I
doesn't
can't, I'm not doing this. You're doing it for me. Okay guys, so I'm not gonna be putting on eyeliner because that's not the look I'm going for today. Also because I can't do it. So we're just gonna skip that step, but she's gonna do it because she can actually do it.
If you want, you can put some eyeliner on the bottom. I might put a tiny bit, but not that much. Sorry.
Okay, so for the last step, I'm gonna be doing mascara, and I have this L'Oreal, wait, that's upside down. L'Oreal Telescopic Carbon Black mascara. So you just like take it and put it on.
I'm gonna curl my eyelashes first, and then I will put on mascara. And I am using Ultimate Lash, whatever, can't see, and it's black, and it's by Marcel. Also, we want
I'm
to
putting
make
some
sure
on my bottom lashes too, by the way.
we want to make sure you don't put too much on, because when you put too much mascara on,
You have spider
it looks bad. You have spider like.
legs.
Yeah. You can brush out your eyelashes if you feel like they're too clumpy.
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll do a close up of our eyes now.
Now. So the last step is your lips, and you should probably moisturize them first, like with like chapstick or whatever.
I put on EOS before, or Burt's Bees.
Yeah, I just put on Burt's Bees, so it's fine. Because if you put it on, then your lips will get dry and cracky, and that doesn't look too good. So I'm gonna be using Revlon lip gloss in the shade Glossy Rose.
And I'm not going to be putting really any more color on, but I'm going to be putting on a Juicy Tube by Lancome. I really recommend this. I can't see. It's also in the shade of Dreamsicle. I really recommend this because it's like really, it's really like glossy, and yeah, it kind of looks nasty because I've been using it. I use it sometimes.
That's what mine looks like.
Shout out to Maya. Maya, I'm pretty sure you got me this a long time ago. And this is the final look. We'll like zoom in. But I like it. I mean, it's not something I'd wear every day, obviously, but I think it looks pretty.
Yeah.
And I'm just surprised, like, good for the people who can wear this every day and who can, like, do this every morning, because a lot of people I know do, like, do everything like this.
I don't know how you, like, wake up enough. Like, I barely get out the door in time. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching.
Hope you liked the video. Hopefully you liked the look.
If you do, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and comment below more video ideas.
Also, comment if you use a sponge,
That's a
brush,
beauty blender.
that's what I meant. A beauty blender, a sponge, or a blending brush to put on your foundation. That's our question.
Question of the day. Thanks for watching.
Bye guys!